Good morning, this is Zachary from Zachary Sweeps. I'm just doing this quick video on this wood burning stove. I fitted this 17 and a half years ago. Look at it, a Morso. Looks like it was fitted 2 years ago. That's incredible. As you can see, it's set back into a builder's recess, which is behind your fireplace. Brick square opening. When they built these Victorian houses, or a lot of them really, to be fair, they build the builder's recess first, and then they put the fireplaces in afterwards. So they build the houses, all the houses on the terrace first, and then they build the fireplaces afterwards. So a lot of the time they gave you the options of what fireplaces you could have. The reason why I'm doing this one, obviously, because I'm still very proud of this, because it's still in fantastic condition. Everything works on everything. As you can see up here, it is how we used to do them, and I don't see why that people don't promote this more. But it's got register plate up here. It was so cheap to do compared to the prices that you would pay now. I think it's just a couple of £100 to get this done. Fit this and a soundness test just to check there's no leaks in the actual appliance. It's difficult to do it with one hand, but I've got to take them both off anyway. Just move that out of the way, put that to one side, and then what we do is what you have is wing nuts here. You only need two, like that. Literally just unscrew that, and then that's it, drops down like that. Put the wing nuts in a safe place. We'll stick them down there out of the way, but as you can tell, I'm going to just put that there show you how they work. So basically you have the holes for the wing nuts which go on that bit there and that side there, and then you have a little lip at the back. You see that? Blacksmiths will make them, so you literally just put it up like that. And then push it back in. And then you find the hole again and push it back up in there. Take it down. Well, you don't need to have 4 screws in. And I never do ones with screws, because screws are a nightmare. I don't know why people still do them now. Where we never used to do them in the past. Wing nuts are better, and if you get it done by a blacksmith, they can weld them bolts into position, and then it gives you access straight into the chimney, straight up there. And see, you can see the pipe at the side there, which doesn't go all the way up, as you can see. And then you stick the brush up the side. It's all sealed, as you can see, around the edges. Sealed it all around the edges. And if you think this is lost, it's 17 years. Look, even the fire cement around the edges. Absolutely in amazing condition. No issues with it whatsoever. They burn wood on it, so obviously they keep an ash bed in there. It's always important to have a nice big ash bed in there. Makes them burn more slowly and more efficient, and that's what you want. And I think they still make this particular product as well. But yeah, so basically what you do, is get the brush like that, unscrew, we have an adapter that goes on there, unscrew that, and I'll do that all in a minute. And then you stick the brush up the side here, and then basically it's just literally like sweeping an open fire. And why they don't sort of insist on this way of doing it, because if you think about it, this chimney's been here for 150 years. Why does it need a liner that's going to last 25 years? It's ridiculous, it is, because you've got the register plate that's keeping all the heat in. It doesn't make any difference with the liner inside the actual appliance. And I know that for a fact, because it's made no difference for this one and many others. I've actually fitted hundreds of these like this. So there you go. I thought I'd share that with you. I hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, it's great coming back to places that I've been to. I mean, some of my customers go back 25 years nearly, which is brilliant. But yeah, this is a customer that I've been coming to for 17 and a half years, because I used to live in Brighton, and I'm in Brighton at the moment. And it's a beautiful sunny day today, a bit fresh, which is a perfect day for me. Being of Celtic blood, I don't like it too hot. This is perfect, but yeah, so easy. That one's a bit tighter, so I'll have to get something just to lever that off, pop that off. That's not a problem. There's no issues at all. But as you can see how easy they come off, all I'm going to do is just put something flat. Probably there's an axe there, just put that in, pop that off, and that'll come off. That's fine. But there you go. So I'm basically going to sweep it now, stick the brush out the top of the chimney, let the customer go and see it, make a wish, and then bring it back down, clean it all up, and off to my next one. How about that? 17 and a half years that's been in for, and I've been sweeping it every year since. Brilliant. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day from Zachary Sweeps, and remember, if you can get a register plate fitted instead of a liner, you'll save yourself thousands. And they still do it. They just don't like doing it, that's all. Because they want to make money out of you fitting the liner and setting up scaffolding and all that sort of nonsense, where you can even do the soundness test without even having to go up on the roof to do it. Because you can put a cap on the inside, on the end of your brush, so you can seal the top of the chimney pot and fill it up with smoke, then do the soundness test. Anyway, I'll leave that and enjoy the day from Zachary.